I'm sure that you have been into a situation where your photo is perfect and beautiful, but you wish you can capture a little bit more outside your borders. Well, Canva's Magic Studio has another trick up its sleeves that can help you with that. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to reimagine images with the innovative Magic Expand feature. The Magic Expand feature isn't just for filling gaps, as it expands parts of your images that aren't present, blending your original visuals with an AI-generated interpretation. Now, let us deep dive into an example so that you will understand it much better. Imagine you have a photo of water being poured into a glass, but the background feels restricted to you, or you want the image to fit in specific format. Alright, select your image and open the Edit Photo menu. Choose Magic Expand. You will see options like Freeform, where you will direct the AI to expand a specific area. There is also Whole Page for a full background modification, and Square Format for a 1:1 ratio, which is perfect and ideal from social media posts. Well, in this scenario, we will go with the whole background or whole page and then click on the Magic Expand. Then the AI will generate 4 unique options. If you don't like these options and they don't meet your needs, you can click Regenerate and it will generate new results which will allow you to explore additional AI power variations. Magic Expand is also perfect for creating continuity in landscapes or backgrounds. Consider another scenario, a landscape photo where the sky occupies a small part of the frame. By using Magic Expand, you can extend just the sky portion of the picture by picking the Freeform option. And there you have it. By understanding where Magic Expand excels and experimenting with bunch of new images, you will open or unlock a new level of creativity in your designs. Alright, I will see you in the next lecture.